This protocol is useful for the long-term conservation of feline oocytes through a cryopreservation technique known as vitrification, which is crucial for fertility and biodiversity preservation in animal species. The main advantages of vitrification are its speed, since it can be completed in less than 17 minutes, and its feasibility in field conditions, if liquid nitrogen is available.
The domestic cat is a valuable model for wild endangered felids. The development and optimization of cryopreservation protocols would allow establishing gamete biobanks for felid conservation programs.
Begin by preparing a repro vitrification plate with 3 conical wells in one row. Add 20 microliters of equilibration solution to the first well and 300 microliters of vitrification solution to the second and third wells. To equilibrate the cumulus oocyte complexes, or COCs, use a small bore pipette to transfer 1 or more complexes to the bottom of the first well. Slowly add 20 microliters of equilibration solution to the border of the drop and wait for 3 minutes. Then add another 240 microliters of equilibration solution and wait for 9 minutes. While waiting, prepare a box with liquid nitrogen and label a vitrification support with the experiment or cat identification code. Put the box and support near the stereo microscope. After equilibrating the COCs, perform vitrification in less than 90 seconds. To vitrify the COCs, fill the small bore pipette with the vitrification solution from the second.